Hello everyone. In this video we are going to analyze paper 9 CMA Inter Group 2 paper 9 Operations Management and Strategic Management, a chapter wise analysis. Uh, what type of questions, that is section A or B or C or D, case study questions, which type of questions we can expect from each chapter. In study note 1 you can expect theory questions in section C. In section C, as per the new online pattern, section C have 6 questions and you have to choose only 4 questions. Each question is named as LAQ, that is long answer question. Each LAQ has many sub questions, that is a minimum 2 sub questions are there. Sometimes there may be 3 or 4 sub questions. In case study question also, section D, there are sub questions. In section C and section D, such sub questions may be from a single question, that is the main question will be the same question from which all the sub questions are based. Otherwise, another type, the sub questions will be different questions, not based on the single question. Okay, let us analyze study note 1. Study note 1 you can expect in section C, theory question, and one more question, that is section A or section B, you have to expect from all the chapters. So prepare all the chapters, one more questions. In section C you can expect theory questions from study note 1. And operations planning, here also you can expect section A, B and C. So study note 1 and study note 2 you can expect section A question or section B question or section C question. Here also study note 3 also you can expect section C. And study note 4, here there is a possibility of section D questions, chances are more. If section D question is based on a single question, single main question is the basis from which many sub questions can be asked. Such a type of question you can expect from assignment, then transportation, simulation, scheduling, queuing models and simulation are expected in section C or section D as a sub questions. In case study, if there is a single question is the basis for all the sub questions, you can expect such type of question from assignment, transportation. Then study note 5, here also you can expect section D and section C questions, section C and section D. In project management, here PERT CPM you can expect in section D. There is also possibility in section C also. Then economics of maintenance and spares management, section C. In strategic management, it is full and full theory. You can expect in section C theory questions from all the chapters in strategic management. So strategic management you can expect in section C short note questions and also theory questions. And suppose if section D question is section D question consists of many sub questions from different chapters. Then section D also you can expect from strategic management any 1 or 2 questions as a sub question. From the overall analysis of paper 9, 1 mark question section A and B you can expect from all the chapters, and section C the more possibility is study note 2, study note 3 and study note 4. There is a more possibility in section D question. And also study note 5. Study note 5 and 6 also you can expect in section C and D, but in section D you can expect a single case study question if there is. It may be from project management PERT CPM. Otherwise concentrate on all these chapters for section C question. I hope this will give some idea for you to prepare from which chapter you can expect a section D case study question and a section C questions. Since operation management and strategic management is more theory, is involving more theory chapters, you can expect theory questions from strategic management and also operations management. But comparing the problem based subject like costing and accounting, here operation management and strategic management, there will be more theory questions. So concentrate on theory questions. Share this video with your friends so that it will helpful for them. We will see in the next video a chapter wise analysis for other subjects. Please subscribe to our channel and make the notification button enabled. Let us see in next video.